Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to use your Apple Watch SE GPS plus Cellular. This fantastic device offers incredible independence, allowing you to stay connected even when your iPhone is not within range. You can make and receive calls, send messages, and stream your favorite music directly from your wrist. It truly enhances your daily activities, providing convenience and peace of mind. Let's dive into how to set up and maximize the potential of your new Apple Watch SE. Setting up cellular service on your Apple Watch SE is a straightforward process. First, ensure your iPhone is nearby and connected to your carrier. Open the Apple Watch app on your iPhone, then tap on the My Watch tab and select Cellular. From there, you will follow simple on-screen prompts to activate your plan with your existing carrier. Most carriers offer an add-on plan for a small monthly fee, typically around $10. Once activated, your Apple Watch SE GPS plus Cellular unlocks a world of features. You can make and receive phone calls, send and receive text messages, and even stream your favorite music or podcasts directly to your AirPods, all without needing your iPhone. This is incredibly convenient for workouts, errands, or times when you prefer to leave your phone behind. The emergency SOS feature also provides an important layer of safety. To get the most out of your Apple Watch SE GPS plus Cellular, consider a few tips. While Cellular offers great freedom, it does use more battery than Wi-Fi or being connected to your iPhone. To extend battery life, use Wi-Fi whenever possible and manage which apps use cellular data. Keeping your watch's software updated ensures you have the latest features and security. Also, remember that low power mode can significantly extend your battery life when you need it most.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.